A certain class has 31% students from out of the state and 94% of students want to study engineering. Number of students allowed in a class is between 15 and 20. If the percentages have been rounded up to the nearest whole number, how many students are there in the class? Though not explicitly mentioned in the question, we will assume that there are no other categories of students in the class besides out of the state and want to study engineering categories. Since 94% plus 31% is equal to 125%, we conclude that students who want to study engineering and who are from out of the state are 125 minus 100% is equal to 25% of the class. Then students who want to study engineering but are not from out of the state will be 94% minus 25% is equal to 69%. And students who do not want to study engineering and are from out of the state are 31% minus 25%, that is equal to 6%. This partition is shown in the Venn. In this diagram, we have shown the different categories of students and what percentage they make from out of the total number of students in the class. For example, this area and this area together gives the total percentage of students who want to study engineering. Now, some of them from this group are from out of the state and some of them are from inside the state. Those who want to study engineering but are not from out of the state constitute 94% minus 25% is equal to 69% of the total number of students. Those who want to study engineering and are from out of the state, that is 125% minus 100% is 25%. That means 25% of the students of the total class want to study engineering but are from out of the state. Now, the leftmost category and the middle category together, they give the number of students who are from out of the state. As you have seen before, those who want to study engineering and are from out of the state, they constitute 25%. So the remaining out of 31, that is 31% minus 25%, which is 6%, and these 6% of the students do not want to study engineering and are from out of the state. We will use the following abbreviations in a table that we are about to draw. OOS, number of out of state students, which is 31%, then that is given. ENG represent the number of students who want to study engineering, which is 94% and it is given. The category both means both OOS and engineering and we have found out just now it is 25%. Only engineering are those who want to study engineering but are not from the state, and we have just now found it is 69%. And the last category is only OOS, that is those who do not want to study engineering but are from out of the state, which is 6%. We have also found it out. So we can conclude both plus only engineering, that is equal to 94%, and both plus only OOS is equal to 31%. The class can have 15 to 20 students. Let us examine what these percentages mean in actual number of students in the form of a table. The number and percentages have been rounded up to the nearest integer. We have made 8 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First column shows the class size. The second column shows the category both, which is 25%. The third column shows only engineering, that is 69%, and the fourth column shows only OOS, which is 6%. Therefore, both and only engineering is 94%, and both plus only OOS is 31%. Finally, both plus only engineering divided by class size is given in column 7. Both plus only OOS divided by class size is given in column 8. And this we have done for different possible class sizes, that is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let us take the first row. Class size is 15, both is 25%, which is 4 when we round it up to nearest whole number. Similarly, only engineering is 10, etc., etc. So under column 7, we get 93%, and under column 8, we get 33%. Similarly, we do it for class size of 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let us concentrate our attention on the last two columns, which gives as a percentage the students which are both plus only engineering, and that varies from 93%, 94%, 94%, 94%, 95%, and 95%. Similarly, under column 8, both plus only OOS written as a percentage of the class size is 33%, 31%, 29%, 33%, 32%, and 30% corresponding to different class sizes. We know that the total number of students who want to study engineering is 94%, and the total number of students from out of the state is 31%. These percentages for different class sizes are shown under column 7 and 8 respectively. The only class size that gives both these percentages correctly is 16. And this is shown highlighted here, 94% and 31%. For all other class sizes, both these numbers together are not correct. Hence, the number of students in the class is 16. I am sure there must be a simpler way to arrive at this answer, but I do not seem to hit upon it. I will appreciate if anyone points out a simpler method. Thank you.